opening another scruffaluvs. Another scruffaluvs. And we have the kitty we rescued before. Our other video about the mermaid cat. And you help her because it's so cute. Let's open it. Okay, well. Oh, it comes off. Wait, look. Let's take it off here.
Brianna?
Oh. Whoa! There she is. Oh, I think here. What is in here? It's so cute. I wonder. Let's open it. What's in here first? Yeah.
Okay.
Papa. There's gonna have a certificate. Same thing we got from before. It's a mail. This is her birth certificate. We have to watch. I like a pet. 2. Pet reveal. 3. We have to see if it's a girl or a boy. It's a girl. Let's see. 4 will dry and 5 will groom.
All right.
Wait, let's read this. Let's read number 3. It sounds interesting. Have you rescued a baby boy or girl? Warm your baby's heart to find out. Cool. I think there's gonna be babies. Next, we'll open the mail. It's a mail. I'll open it. See what's in the mail. What's in the mail? What do you think's gonna be in the mail? Maybe it will be the bottle. Because babies always need bottles. It is a bottle. A bottle and a comb.
What's the reveal?
Let's see what's the reveal. Okay, now we'll move it around. I will. No, I will too. No. What did we get? I think it's a dog. Keep watching it. Hey, oh, it's so cute. It's a bunny. No, it's a dog, I think. It's a bunny. Keep watching it. She needs some more soap. Give me some. Give me some. Stop and take this. Dry bunny.
What about this?
It's a baby. It's a dog. It's a dog. See, it's a dog. Its ears are going down. It's turning.
Like a bunny to me.
It looks like a dog. It's not a dog. It is. Ooh, it's. The baby's so small, so I'll take it. I'll fill this up with water. Next, we'll rub it out.
Oh, so that's why they have, look, the mommy and the baby.
Oh, yeah. Mommy and the baby. Mommy and the baby. I have to, and you don't. It's a dog. Look at its nose. Wash them with clean water. Nice, clean water.
Okay, there's the new water.
Yes, new water. That's not soapy.
Here's the fresh water.
We'll take off the soap.
Squeeze it very well.
Yeah.
Like nothing left in there.
Oh, it looks like there's a lot.
All right.
Here's some.
The clean water, drinking.
Drink. There's some new water. New, nice, warm water. It's turning pink.
What, Brianna?
I need to dry her.
you doing, Brianna? So you do the baby one? What are you doing?
Trying.
A girl.
Yes,
And the baby is?
a boy.
It's a baby boy? This is the baby boy?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because it has a blue hat. Well, we're gonna comb it and dry it with a hair clip. Look how cute.
Okay, let's do it.
Yes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to look at our last video about candy.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hello. Hello. Hi, Mommy. Sit down. Hi, Candy. Hi, Candy. This is my baby. I'm still wet. Feel my tail.